Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Aradhya Tech World. So, let's start. Today, we are going to learn about how to install SonarQube on CentOS 7. Okay, so so we'll see some prerequisites which are required to install the SonarQube. So, basically, we need a CentOS 7 or CentOS 8, whatever flavor you are using for this installation. Okay, so it requires minimum 2 GB of RAM and one CPU. Okay, so Postgres version 9.3 or higher should be installed on that particular Linux server, and SSH access with sudo privilege should be there. Okay, and the firewall port 9000, which is 9000, should be enabled. Okay, so this is just a customized port. You can configure any port, okay, to access the SonarQube. Okay, these are the few prerequisites. Okay, now these are the few steps which are required to install the SonarQube. Update and install required tools. SonarQube user creation, then Java installation. Minimum required version is Java 11. Install and set up database like PostgreSQL 14 for SonarQube. Okay, so let's start. We will I will walk through the each and every slide, then we'll jump into the actual installation and configuration of Java 11, then PostgreSQL and the SonarQube. Okay, so these are the few system configurations which we need to set up first. What is limits.conf? So basically, etc security limits.conf is allows setting resource limits for users logged in via PAN. This is a useful way of preventing, for example, fork bombs from using up all system resources. Like so, you just need to open this file using vim editor. And you need to set up these settings on this particular file, like SonarQube nofile 65536. These are the minimum requirement for SonarQube. Okay, SonarQube nproc 4096. Then we will create a SonarQube user using this command, useradd sonar, password sonar. Okay, so let's jump into the next slide. So this slide is talk about Java installation. So basically, you need to install a Java before installing the SonarQube. It's a prerequisites to install the SonarQube. Okay, so using install Java 11 OpenJDK-devel, you can install this OpenJDK version. Okay, after that, you can check the Java version using this command Java hyphen hyphen version. After that, you can configure the repo. Okay, basically, which is required to install the PostgreSQL database. Okay, using this link yum install hyphen y https. You can configure the repo on the CentOS 7. Then, if required, you need to install this install DNF. Basically, DNF, like we are using m install in the CentOS. So similar way, we can use DNF as well. So DNF is required in uh, Red Hat 8. Okay, and okay, so let's jump into the next slide, which is talk about the PostgreSQL database installation. So in this, you just need to install these two prerequisites, these two packages, which are PostgreSQL 14 and PostgreSQL 14-server. Okay, so once these two packages is installed on your system, you just need to initialize the database using this command usr pgsql-14 bin PostgreSQL 14 setup initdb. Okay, once this database is initialized, you need to start the database, like start, then enable. Okay, using this below command systemctl start PostgreSQL, systemctl enable PostgreSQL. Okay, you can start the service, you can enable the service, and using systemctl status, you can check the status of the service if it is running on the system. Okay, okay, let's look at the next slide, which is talk about the PostgreSQL database configuration. So first we will set up the password for Postgres using passwd Postgres. You can set up the password whatever you want, then switch to the Postgres user. Then for database configuration, we will follow these steps to basically to create the user for the SonarQube. Like I'm creating this Sonar, create user Sonar, then Postgres, then you are so you can check PSSQL. Once you type this, mm, you will log you will be logged into the Postgres shell. Okay, so to set up the password and the owner and the grant all privileges to Sonar user, you can use this command alter, create, and grant. Okay. After that, you can type /q to come out from this Postgres user, and then you can just exit exit from the bash shell. Okay. Let's talk about the SonarQube installation. Once all these prerequisites met, you can download the SonarQube using this below link. So basically, what you need to do, you just need to run this command wget.zip. So it will download the zip file. Once it is downloaded, you need to unzip this file. Okay, where you want to unzip. Basically, you can give the path of that particular directory. Okay, then you can use this command unzip SonarQube and the -d/opt. Okay, rename the file name. Like rename means just you need to whatever we downloaded, you just need to rename it using this command mv opt SonarQube 9.1.0 to /opt SonarQube. Okay, once it is done, you need to just run this command sudo useradd -c. Okay, once this done, you just need to change the permission of that particular directory. So you need to change the username and the group name. Okay, using chon -capital R sonar :sonar opt sonar. Okay, so these are the few configuration which we need to do. Set sonar properties, like you need to go open this file vim/opt sonarqube com sonar.properties. Here you need to enable these two lines sonar.jdbc.username and sonar.jdbc.password. Okay, so I have given this is equal to sonar is equal to satish at the rate 123. Okay, now you need to do you need to just go into this vim opt sonarqube bin linux x86 64 sonar.sh file, and here you need to search with the run as user. Here you just need to enable this line, uncomment it, and just give the username sonar. Okay, now you need to switch to the sonar user. Just use this command, use sonar. Okay, just go to the opt SonarQube bin linux x86 64 path and just start the SonarQube. Okay, using this command /sonar.sh start. Okay, once it is done, you will be able to access the SonarQube using the link. Okay, and the default username and password will be your admin. Okay. Okay, let me start with the practical session. So I have already created the virtual machine on Google Cloud Platform. So I'll open it. Okay. Okay, our server is ready. So what you need to do, first you need to do su pass wd. So you will, okay, just a minute. So I will switch to root user. Okay, so you can see I'm logged in as a root user here. Okay. Okay. So I will open this file to change the couple of settings. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, I use this vi two times. Okay, so come to the bottom and just add these two. settings over there. Okay, and just save this file. Now you need to create the user using this command useradd sonar. Then you need to set the password for this. So you can set any password. Okay, so all authentication tokens updated successfully. Okay, so once user is created, we need to install the Java JDK 11. Okay, so now it is going to install. It is asking for the confirmation. So this has been successfully installed. Let me clear the screen. You just if you want to verify it, just use this command java -hyphen version. So this OpenJDK 11.0.18 has been installed successfully. Okay, so let me configure the repo. Okay, now it is configuring. So configuration is completed. Basically, I have installed this pgdg red hat repo. Okay, so once it is done, you just need to, if you want, you can install this DNF as well, like yum install DNF. Okay, it will ask for the confirmation. Yes. So this has been successfully installed. Okay, so we need to install the PostgreSQL database. So if you want to install this, so you need to install these two packages as a prerequisites for this PostgreSQL. Okay, I will install this. Okay, now it is down installing this PostgreSQL 14 and PostgreSQL 14 Apple server. So it will take a couple of minutes to finish the installation. So yeah, once it is done, we'll initialize the database. Okay, these two packages have been installed successfully. So let me initialize the database. So the database has been successfully initialized. You can see this initializing database. Okay, okay, you just need to start this service, SonarQube service. Okay, this has been started. Now we need to enable it. Okay, this is has been successfully enabled. Now you can check the status. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, you can see it is active running. So you need to do some database configuration. So first we will set up the password for this Postgres. No, Okay, so my bad. Okay, here I will give some password. Okay, this has been successfully done. Now I switch to the user su hyphen postgres. So you are into the bash shell. You just need to use this pls. So what you need to do here, psql, you can use this command psql. Okay, so now you logged in as a postgres. Okay, once this is done, you need to execute these three commands. First you need to alter the user. With encrypted password. Okay, okay, this is fine. We will see if we'll get any issues. Okay, let me create the database. Sonar does not exist. Something it is showing. Okay, I got it. My bad. So let me create user Sonar. Okay, this has been done. So I'll run this command to alter. Okay, okay, this is fine. We'll see it later. Okay, let me copy. Okay, I think we need to go with the lower cap letters. Okay, this has been done. Okay, let me come out from this. I will run this command first. Okay, creation of role folder already exist. Okay, fine. Okay, now let me go to the PSQL. Okay, now I will run this command. Okay, role has been altered successfully. Then create the database now. Okay, database has been created successfully. Now I will grant all the permission to this Sonar user. Okay, okay, to Sonar. Okay, this is fine. Okay, come out from this, just type /q, and if you want to exit from this bash shell, just type exit. Okay, this has been done successfully. Okay, let us jump on to the next slide now. Okay, so we'll Sonar Postgres SQL database configuration has been done successfully. So we'll go for the SonarQube installation. What you need to do, just you need to use this command to download the SonarQube zip file. We can say binary file. Okay, so wget is not there, so I will install the wget here. Wget curl -y. Okay, so let me install unzip as well. Okay, this is done. Let me try once again. Okay, this is successfully downloaded. Now you need to unzip the file under this /opt. Paste. So it has been extracted. Now let me rename it with the SonarQube something different name like SonarQube. Okay, this has been renamed successfully. Okay, so if you run this command, you will get the user is already created, something like that you will get. So already exists. Now we will change the permission for this opt SonarQube. So this has been successfully done. Now I will change some SonarQube configuration settings. So I will go to this file opt SonarQube conf and the sonar.properties. So let me open this file. Here you need to go to the something JDBC. Yeah, you can search with sonar.jdbc. Okay, what you need to do, you just need to enable these two lines, enable and enable. Here you need to provide whatever user you have created, insert sonar and whatever password you given. Okay, and just save it. Once this is done, you just okay, you need to go to this file and just change the setting for this as well. So you can search run user. Here you just need to enable this. Oh, sorry, my mistake. You just need to change it to sonar, enable it and give this name sonar. Okay, once it is done, you can switch to the user su sonar. Okay, you can see I logged in as a sonar user. Okay, so you just need to use this command to start the SonarQube. Sonar.sh start. Sonar.sh. Yeah, giving me permission denied. Okay, let me use sudo here. I will give the password here. Oh, sorry, my bad. You need to go to opt SonarQube bin Linux. Okay, now you need to run that command ./sonar.sh start. Okay, starting sonar. So it has been successfully started. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to go to the GCP console. Here you need to copy the public IP. Okay, just open the new tab. Here you can press the IP and you can whatever port we have defined you can use here. So you will get this login page, login to SonarQube once you access that particular link. So default we can use admin as a user and admin as a password. Okay, so it will prompt for to change the password at first attempt. Okay, so you need to give admin, then you can later on change it whatever you want. Update. So welcome to SonarQube. This is all about SonarQube installation. So we will meet in the next video. So where we will set up the end-to-end SonarQube for the code quality checks for shell script. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.